Find the equation of the line through the point 3, 2, which is parallel to the line y equal 2x plus 3. We take when the parallel lines gradients is equal, we take the equation of this line as y equal 2x plus lambda. We substitute by substituting x is equal 3. Here x coordinate is 3 and y is equal to, here y coordinate is 2. Y is equal to 2 times x. 2 times x is 3 plus lambda. 2 plus 3 is 6 plus lambda is equal to, lambda is equal to subtract 6 is equal -4. The equation is y equal 2x subtract 4. Find the equation of the line through the point 6, 2, which is parallel to the line 3x y equal 3x subtract 1. Gradient of the parallel lines are equal to each other. Here y equal mx plus c. Gradient is 3. We take this equation as y equal 3x plus k. Gradient of the parallel lines is equal. Then find the equation of the line through the point 6, 2. Here x coordinate is 6, y coordinate is 2, which is parallel to the line y equal 3x subtract 1. We take this equation as y equal 3x plus k. By substituting x is equal 6 and y is equal to, y 2 is equal 3 times x. 3 times x is equal 6 plus k. 3 times 6 is equal 18 plus k is equal to, here we take this 18 to this side. 2 subtract 18 is equal k.
Teacher, that one teacher plus k or minus k teacher?
You can take anyway. Here 2 subtract from 18 is equal
That means
16.
you can take plus or minus.
You can take anyway. Here k. K is equal -16. The equation is y equal 3x subtract 16. If you take
The equation.
If you take the equation as y equal 3x subtract k, here k is